Hey, it's Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a CN train creeping up here with the Dorval ramps about 1:30 p.m. Friday afternoon. It's the 17th of December 2021, and a pretty mild day, although a little bit windy here at the Dorval ramps. What's really cool is that I didn't even have to wait for this train. I just got here. This spot is amazing. I have really great luck with it all the time. And anytime I come here, there always seems to be a train waiting or one that comes like right away. Even this early in the afternoon, the shadows are pretty long over here when the sun does come out. So honestly, a cloudy day at this time of year is actually good. So I see those brand new CN hoppers that are now about a year old starting to get some graffiti on them. Potash hoppers. I'm hoping to see CP 142 today, which might have the New Brunswick Southern locomotive on it. This is kind of why I came here today. So I'm hoping that it won't come when all these auto racks are here. There's the last car there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.